Hey guys, how you doing? Today I'll be showing you a really cool trick. This is basically creating a batch file, and this destroys your whole operating system. For example, you're running Windows XP, Vista, or 7. You will be infected by this virus. So what this virus does is that it destroys your whole operating system. Now, when you shut down your computer, and when somebody runs this, so it's gonna stay aside. When you shut it down and you try to restart it again, it's gonna say please reinstall your version of Windows as it is corrupt due to a file. So yeah, that's really pissing off at times. So the only way possible to get your system back is to reinstall Windows, that version of Windows, through a CD, which I think most of us don't have. So you gotta buy it, and that's gonna cost money. So yeah, so before I really begin, first a little disclaimer. Okay, I did not create any of these files. I found them on the internet. I thought they were helpful, so I thought of sharing it with you guys. So I should not be held responsible for any damage caused on your PC or laptop or whatsoever. Okay, so yeah, so now let's go to the how to do it. So step number one, open Notepad. Once you open Notepad, you have to copy this code. It's this code is in the doobly-doo, so you guys can copy it from there, which is the description. So you guys can copy it and paste it on Notepad. Now here comes the tricky part. Okay, when you're saving this, go to File, you go to Save As, and let's just save it on the desktop to make things easier. And we'll select all files, and we'll name it something really cool, something really attractive, so that the person who's seeing it will have to click it. Okay, so let's say okay, in Internet Explorer. Now this is something a guy has to open. Now here comes the tricky part. You can't just save it like that. You have to say .bat. Now what this does is that this makes it a batch file, and this makes it a command for Windows to run. Okay, so yeah, so save it as a bat file and just click on save. Now close this. Save. Now you see this is Internet Explorer.bat. Now if you see the logo of it in your computer will be a little different. It will not look like Internet Explorer. So what you gotta do, you gotta change it. Okay, so you gotta rename it. Firstly you gotta remove the .bat. Okay, so you don't need to remove the .bat. Just keep it as .bat. Okay, now right click, go to properties, and go to advanced. I think you can change the symbol. I'm not sure how to, but yeah, you can change the symbol of it just to make it more attractive. So once the person does click on it, his computer is busted. Okay, so his operating system is gone, and yeah, that was it. So please guys, do not click on this, because this is really harmful. Okay, so you don't want to spoil your own computer, and as I said on my disclaimer, that I will not be held responsible for any loss. So yeah, thank you guys, and happy hacking.